Hi, my full name is Ine Victor Olawumi Garrick. Ine means my own and Olawumi means I desire wealth. My father is from Edo State whilst my mum's from Bayelsa State, both in the southwest of Nigeria, so I'm Nigerian by birth. I came to Cardiff back in September 2009 to study for a master's degree in health, safety and environmental management at what is now the University of South Wales. I started using Victor as my first name due to the barriers I faced whilst applying for jobs after university. I never seemed to get past the first application stages, even though on paper I had all the necessary requirements for at least an interview. In addition, the few calls I had, because the recruiters had an issue saying my first name correctly with comments like your name is difficult or hard to pronounce, I always felt I was on the back foot and sensed some unconscious bias. The moment I changed to my middle name Victor on my CV, within a week I had multiple calls for interviews. Coincidence? I think not. There is a personal story attached to my name. It bears a special significance to me and especially to my mother, who raised me single-handedly, hence the meaning my own. There are a lot of things in my name. It shows my lineage, culture, pride and dignity. Colleagues can support the Race Equality Matters My Name Is campaign by promoting the use of phonetic spelling in your email signature, just like the Pronoun Initiative, which enables people to respect gender identity. Here are some other tips on how you can support your colleagues and the My Name Is campaign. Ask the person to pronounce your name and actively listen. Rather than try to say a name you're unfamiliar with, ask the person how to pronounce it. Don't make it a big deal. Once you've heard the correct pronunciation, thank them and move on. Don't focus on how unfamiliar you are with your name. Observe and practice. Make an effort to hear how someone pronounces your name to other people, even if you've heard it before. Check first if you're introducing them in a public forum. Clarify again. If you meet someone again after a while, it's fine to check how you should pronounce their name. Do something when you realize you've been mispronouncing it. Apologize when you get it wrong as soon as you realize. Be an ally. If you hear someone mispronouncing a colleague's name when they're not around, step in and correct them gently. Don't be arrogant or flippant. Don't say, "I'll never get it right," or not listen when you are corrected. Be brave, be part of the solution.